History. History can be divided into parts: prehistory, proto-history and history. Prehistoric age. No written records are available for prehistoric period, however plenty of archaeological remains are found in different parts of India to reconstruct the history of this period. They include stone tools, pottery, artifacts, metal implement which are used by prehistoric period. Prehistoric age further divided into two parts: Stone Age and Metal Age. However, this period are not uniform throughout the Indian subcontinent and the dating of the prehistoric period is done scientifically. Radiocarbon dating method and dendrochronology method is used for this purpose. Stone Age. The Stone Age was a broad prehistoric period during which stone was widely used to make tools with an edge, a point, or a percussion surface. Archaeologists have given lengthy names for the time that we are studying. They call the earliest period the Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. This comes from two Greek words paleo, meaning old, and lithos, meaning stone. The name points the importance of finds of stone tools. The Paleolithic Age extends from 2 million years ago to about 12,000 years ago. This long stretch of time is divided into the lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic Age. This long span of time covers 99% of human history. The period when we find environmental changes, beginning about 12,000 years ago till about 10,000 years ago, is called the Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. Stone tools found during this period are generally tiny, and are called microliths. Microliths were probably stuck on two handles of bone or wood to make tools such as swaths and sickles. At the same time, older varieties of tools continued to be in use. The next stage, from about 10,000 years ago, is known as the Neolithic or New Stone Age. Let's find out what is the difference between all three periods. Paleolithic Age. During the Paleolithic period, the man was a hunter and food gatherer. The human being used to use simple chipped and chopped type stone tools for hunting and other purposes. The people were not aware of neither agriculture nor home construction, hence the life was not properly settled. It has been traced that people survived, consumed roots of trees and fruits, and lived in caves and hills. The Paleolithic man was a hunter and food gatherer. Tools of Paleolithic Age. Tools have been discovered from Chota Nagpur Plateau, Kurnool, and Andhra Pradesh and are nearly 1 lakh BC old. Lower Paleolithic, population preferred to live near the water source because the stone tools are abundant near the river valleys. Tools used in Lower Paleolithic era were mainly cleavers, choppers, and hand axes. These tools were mainly used for cutting, digging, and skinning the prey. These tools were found from Balan Valley of Mirzapur, UP, Didwana in Rajasthan, Narmada Valley, and from Bhimbetka, near Bhopal, MP. The Middle Paleolithic period, tools of this age was majorly dependent on flakes which were used to make bows, points, and scrapers etc. A crude pebble industry is also noticed in this period. Stone tools of this period are of the flake tradition. For example, use of needles to sofas and skins which were used as body coverings. Upper Paleolithic Age, tools of this age was majorly large flake blades, scrapers, and burins. Mesolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age was a transitional phase between the Paleolithic Age and the Neolithic Age. It has the characteristics of both the Paleolithic Age and the Neolithic Age. The people of this age lived on hunting, fishing, and food gathering, while at a later stage they also domesticated animals. Tools. The people of this age used microliths. Microliths are very small in size and their lengths range from 1 to 8 centimeters. Backed blade, core, point, triangle, lunate and trapeze are the main Mesolithic tools. However, some tools used earlier, like scraper, burin and choppers, continue. Art. The people of this age practiced painting. Their paintings depicted birds, animals, and human beings. The Neolithic Age is mainly characterized by the development of settled agriculture and the use of tools and weapons made of polished stones. The major crops grown during this period were ragi, horse gram, cotton, rice, wheat, and barley. Pottery first appeared in this age. The Neolithic Age saw the man turning into food producer from food gatherer. It also witnessed the use of pottery for the first time. People used microlithic blades in addition to tools made of polished stone. The use of metal was unknown to Neolithic people. Community life. Neolithic people had common right over property. They led a settled life. The people of Neolithic Age domesticated cattle, sheep, and goats. Metal Age. The first Metal Age of India is called Chalcolithic Age, which saw the use of copper along with stone. It was also called Stone Copper Age. Along with the use of copper and stone, these people also used low-grade bronze to make tools and weapons. Chronologically, there are several settlements. Some are pre-Harappan or early Harappan Kalibangan in Rajasthan and Bhanawali in Haryana, and some are Harappan and post-Harappan. The Chalcolithic culture mainly had farming communities and they existed between 2000 BC and 700 BC. In India it was mainly found in southeastern Rajasthan, western part of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, and in south and east India. This is all we need to know about Stone Age and Metal Age.